A hero approaches the car, a handsome fella, all eager and fine. He waves to the crowd, slips on the gloves and a helmet, then casually climbs inside. Hello and welcome, this is Ayushi Farasi and you're watching a segment of Motivational Stories. The beautiful red racing car roars into life. Our driver selects first gear. He can smell the burning rubber as the beautiful red racing car launches off the start line. He slips it into the second gear and hears the roar of the engine groan with confidence as he asks for more. Now up into the third, he can feel the power of this beautiful racing car. He can feel the speed picking up as he gets faster and faster. Slipping it into the fourth gear, he can taste the champagne, he can taste the victory. Into the fifth and the final gear, he can see himself getting faster as the countryside goes whizzing past, seeing way in the distance the finishing line. He eagerly presses his foot harder to the floor. But wait, what's this? The racing car is beginning to slow. The driver isn't selecting any more gears. The beautiful red racing car is coming to a stop. With no gear selected, the beautiful red racing car does indeed come gracefully to a complete stop. The driver is quiet and gently watching. A stillness lies within his heart. Without those gears we call the five senses selected, our emotions, our driver is simply calm, relaxed and excluding peace. Well, this little story gives us a moral that the racing car represents you and me, our physical bodies. The driver represents our consciousness, our inner speech. The five gears represent each of our five senses of hearing, seeing, tasting, smelling and feeling. We select each gear at any given moment according to what has attracted us. The gear clicks in place and our mind creates thoughts from either previous experiences, future events or dissolves into a world of fantasy. With one of those gears selected, the racing car mind is captivated and propelled off at great speeds into that future, past or fantasy world of jibber jabber. But just like every racing car, it needs a driver, its consciousness to select those gears. If your mind is like that of the race car, take it out of gear and slip it into the neutral. Just like the racing car, your inner speech will gradually come to a stop. Without the input of the five senses, our consciousness, nothing to fixate over, nothing to grasp or attach to. Eventually, your consciousness and inner speech come a stop. What replaces that busyness we call inner speech is peace and happiness so pure and indescribable, leaving you feeling renowned and energized. But the question comes that how do we do this? Become an observer of your mind. Watch with great fascination without interference, input or control. Meditation and mindfulness are practiced to gain the focus need to observe rather than attach to that inner speech, and just like the racing car, the mind comes to a stop. Surprisingly quickly. It simply waits for an owner, a driver to attach once again. In between, a simple silence arises, a silence so sweet you will be wanting more and more. Our minds are just like little thought factories, gently producing thoughts of future or past events, all mixed with a dash of fantasy, influenced by those five senses. And what are those five senses? That is hearing, feeling, tasting, seeing and smelling. Our consciousness is the driver, the operator who selects each gear according to the distraction that arises. To observe, to watch this interaction, this invent game, this game that's played is what meditation is all about. To see with the true reality how exactly our minds operate, how they cause all of our own sufferings, anxieties, stress, and unhappy states, we naturally drop that which causes us harm. Well, we see that the true reality of nature and life itself as impermanent, forever changing, and that attachment to an impermanence is what causes us such sorrow, heartache and needless suffering. Well, I hope that this little story and the moral that gives us will make a little difference in your life. Now you can write to us your inspirational story or any motivational story that you want us to convey from this platform. You can write to us at mailpmcenglish@gmail.com, and do not forget to visit our website www.pmcenglish.com. This is Ayushi Farasi signing off. Stay tuned to PMC English for more update.